Welcome to this very quick room tour of the Superior Room in the Grand Hotel, Stockholm. As you can see, there's a nice working area here, but the room amenities were lacking. As you can see, these sachets of tea and coffee were of a low quality, and I'd expect better for a hotel of this quality. The Dux bed seen here was really comfortable. I must say that the 20 square metres of this room did feel rather cramped. The crampness also was felt in this entrance area, where the exit door swung outwards, the bathroom door swung inwards, and there was also this wardrobe area which was quite difficult to access, and just felt like there wasn't enough room in this room. And sadly, as you find in some hotels nowadays, a safe that isn't big enough to put a laptop in, and really hotels need to start looking at this. Here you can see a nice box of amenities for both a man and a woman. So into the bathroom, some lovely robes and slippers. There was a turn down service every evening. The bath area itself was quite small, as you can see, just a single vanity with the toilet immediately behind it. And behind the glass screen there is a full-size shower, which was really lovely and has a rain head and the like, but overall okay for a solo traveller, but if you were travelling with a partner, you might want to consider getting a bigger room.